Hi guys! Okay, so I recently semi-finished decorating my room and I wanna show you what's going on in here. The first thing is this curtain. Behind it I'm using this rack as my wardrobe. A proper wardrobe would be really awkward in here because there's a window and a radiator. So I think this solution works the best with this corner and I'm keeping it for now. Whatever happens here does not matter the slightest. Here's my workspace, like work. This clock is surprisingly useful. This is the place where I sleep. Bed, lamp. The bed comes with these drawers which I really like. Here I have a little side table with my perfumes, mirror. This is my gym area, and with this I don't ever have to go to the actual gym because this is really enough. Most furniture in this room I either already had or I bought it from a thrift shop. I've restored two bedside tables, one here with wall paint and one there with like proper furniture paint. I use very random objects as decoration, as you can see. Next I have this calyx. I've put all sorts of random shit in here. Toys, cassettes, broken keychains, this and that. Here's my lamp, flowers. Here's a very random sheet I've attached to the wall. This poster I took on a street in Berlin. I also have this disco ball attached to the light. I have a lot of lamps in here. I'm controlling the lamps with this remote and they are connected to the remote control sockets. One in here and one behind the mirror. In the future I want some more decoration maybe on the walls. I do want to get the proper curtains. At this point I'm using these IKEA's temporary curtains. So this room is kinda small, but I can do everything I need in here. It fits all the things I need, with the sacrifice of a wardrobe and a double bed. It's not too awkward and I have enough space for everything. I'm really happy about how this room turned out, and I'm really happy to have my own like proper room, big enough for me.